Hello guys, welcome. This is Deepika from wealthandhealthmastery.com, and in this tutorial we are going to see how you can get SEMrush for free. So the first thing is I'm at Google and I'm going to go ahead and type in SEMrush, and here if you scroll down you are going to see the link to SEMrush website, and over here there is an option for pricing. So if you go over to the pricing, SEMrush offers 3 different plans: Pro plan, Guru plan, and Business plan. And for Pro as well as Guru, you do get a 7-day free trial. So if you are interested in any of these plans, all you have to do is you have to click on try for free, and it will ask you to set up your account. And one important thing is, if you are looking to purchase, you are better off buying annual plan where you have to give a upfront cost, but you are going to save 17%. So that's a lot of money when we count the whole 12 months. So if you are fully satisfied and if you know that this is going to really would be a game changer for you, then go ahead and buy it annually. And what I'm going to do here is, if you want to go ahead and try the trial version here, so let's say we want to go with Guru, and it tells you the difference between the Pro plan, Guru plan, and the Business plan. Business plan is basically if you have a business where you work with different websites and you have an agency, that's when you will go for business. And the Guru plan is also for agencies and mid-sized businesses. I will recommend you, if you are a single person with a blog or a couple of websites and stuff like that, then you can just go with the Pro plan. That is the max you're going to need. And here I'm going to click on try for free, and over here you will enter your email. So let's say I go ahead and provide my email here and set up a password, and I'm going to say create account, and it has sent a verification code. So let me go over to the email, and this is the verification code, and I'm going to paste it here, confirm email, and now I am all set up to use this free trial. Now you do have to provide a card number, even though it's not going to charge for the next 7 days, but once it hits it, then it's going to be charging you on June 27th. So if you just want to explore it, feel free to add your credit card number and stuff like that, and then hit the try it now. Now, once you have bought it, this is how the SEMrush is going to look like. So once you have bought the trial version, it's going to look something like this. So I have a different plan. So if you see a little bit difference, it's because in the trial you might not get everything, but you will get an idea on if this tool is right for you. There is another better way to get SEMrush, and you don't have to pay that kind of money. I know $100 a month is a lot of money when you are starting brand new. So there is a website, and there are multiple websites like this where you can buy these tools for bulk. One of the websites that I personally use is called Digitalvisioncom. Now over on this website, you can literally buy a bundle of your SEO package. Okay, so if let's say you want to go ahead and click on see pricing here, you can buy SEMrush for $6. If that is the only tool you're interested in, you can buy this. If you want a bundle where you get kind of like 10 tools or 12 tools, you can buy a full bundle as well. So you can go ahead and explore all of these if you're interested. Now if you are interested in tools list here, these are all the different tools that these people have. Okay, they have AI writer tool, writing tools, Grammarly, all of that. So if you're starting out, then I will recommend you to check out this website, Digitalvision.com. Now if you want me to explore and tell you how you can buy that, then do comment in the comment section, and I'll do a video on this website also. So for the timing, if you want to buy, you have 2 options at this point. You can either buy a trial version of SEMrush by paying just having your credit card and make sure you cancel within 7 days, or you can buy these tools in bulk using a website like Digitalvision.com, and it'll buy you these products for cheap. And once you have bought it, we will go over the SEMrush tutorial in the next few lessons. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like and share the video. I'm going to see you in the next tutorial. Bye-bye. Thank you so much.